Welcome back to Crow Wing FPV. I'm Matt, and I am in the country. So, this video is going to be me flying my 2.5-inch Protek a little more cinematography. Yeah, that a little more cinematic style. And lately, I've been really working on more of the freestyle type stuff, just trying to get those tricks down. And the main reason behind that is, you know, if you can time those tricks, you can time that type of flying, you can, you know, it increases your response time, you know, your control, everything like that. And that's really why I'm doing it. One of my earlier videos, a couple weeks ago, I think, or a week ago, on a Facebook group that I'm a part of, Tom from TommyTester, I'll link his page in the comments below, or channel. He goes, you know, your flying's getting better, good for you. He goes, but how about flying cinematically? And it's true, I should work on that too. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna go do my photo shoot that I have for a client, and then I am gonna find someplace out here in the country that I can do a little bit of cinematic flying. That's what I'm gonna do today. So thank you, Tommy, for making me have to fly a different way today. Really appreciate that, buddy. Okay, so that hit somehow killed my video. And if you look in there, I'm not sure how well you can see this. The one wire is actually, hold on a second here. This wire here came off. So I knew that there was a reason to bring my TS100. I get to use it in the field for the first time. Yay! All right. This thing is so fast. I just plugged it in. It's already up over 300 degrees Celsius. That's just crazy. It's one of the best things I've ever bought. And voila. It's not the best because I didn't have tweezers. It's not ideal, but it's in there. And it should work beautifully. As long as I don't go crazy and crash it a bunch of times. Can't really say that it was cinematic. I crashed, and I crashed again, had to resolder my video wire. Yeah, it was a great little session of flying. I'm very happy with that. But we'll see how the footage turns out. Let's see if it looks cinematic. Let's see if I can make it look cinematic. I think that's the key. So, yeah, keep watching. Saw the cinematic footage. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next.